How do influencers decide which brands to work with?
How do I choose which products to promote if I was an influencer? That's based on how I've nurtured my audience over time. So if I've just loved cooking in my kitchen every Sunday, and the next thing, over time of consistently posting, I've recognized that people are starting to love my content and I'm building a small community of people that are actively coming back to my profile to see my latest recipes. I would focus on collaborating with food brands that resonate with the messaging that I'm consistently putting out there because that's what your audience wants to see. Um, the second thing is it based on followers? No, absolutely not. To be honest with you, I would rather work with an influencer that's got minimal followers because I guarantee those 3 followers would believe them a lot more than they would if it was someone with 20, 30, 40, 50,000 followers.